Okay, students. So we have the second question here related to income statement of various departments. We divide among the three departments. So here the question saying that prepare an income statement. I know the resolution is little bit slow, so kindly look into this. Prepare income statement according to department accounting from the following information. Sales, cost of sales are given, wages and salaries are given, and unallocated expenses are given, right? So restaurant, banquet and bar, three parts have to be divided. So accordingly amount is mentioning here. Restaurant amount is 5 lakh, banquet is 3 lakh, bar is 2 lakh, restaurant is again cost of sale is 1,50,000, a banquet is 60,000, bar is 35,000, restaurant is again in wages and salary 80,000, banquet 25,000, bar 10,000, right? There are other column here, they are a little bit different from other questions, right? So unallocated expenses. What is this unallocated expenses? Which are not divided properly. Allocated means which are divided or portioned like this. And three setups we have: restaurant, banquet, bar. Is it has been already divided. Sales has been divided, cost of sales has been divided, wage and salaries are divided. But these expenses which are part of it, the question are not divided. So here we have the note: unallocated expenses are to be apportioned among the department on the following basis. So here we have the conditions how to divide the our expenses. Head office expenses and advertisement expenses are to be proportioned on the base of sales. What is this meaning? Uh, Whatever the head office expenses mentioned here or advertisement mentioned here, it should be divided among the sales ratio. That is 5 lakh, 3 lakh, and 2 lakh. So we have to divide the ratio accordingly. 5 by 3, 5 ratio 3, 5 ratio by 3 by divide by ratio by 2. For 5, 3, and 2, that is the ratio column. Office expenses, second condition, and fixed charges to be apportionate equally among the three departments. Whatever the office expense like 15,000 we have and fixed charge we have 12,000, so it should be divided among equally 1 is to 1 is to 1 like this. Next is interest to be apportionate in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1 among the restaurant, banquet and bar. So interest ratio is given already over there, so we have to divide accordingly 2 is to 2 is to 1 only, right? So moving to further the solution, first we have to generate the income statement of various department. First column we go to the restaurant, banquet, bar and total we divide it accordingly. Then sales, first column 5 lakh in a restaurant, here we have 5 lakh. In a banquet we have 3 lakh, 3 lakh here. In bar we have 2 lakh, right? So sales column will be 1 lakh, 5 lakh with 3 lakh plus 2 lakh. That will be the total column, right? Next is we will less the cost of sale. Cost of sale is divide here 1,50,000 restaurant, 60,000 banquet, 35,000 bar. So I will just mention here in the bracket because it is should be less. That's why. So 1,50,000, 60,000, and 35,000. So all are should be less. So firstly, I just total it. 1,50,000 plus 60,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 35,000 give me the total 2,45,000, right? So how you calculate the gross profit? Sales minus cost of sales, right? So sales minus cost of sales will be 5 lakh minus 1,50,000 gives me the figure 3,50,000, right? Same goes to banquet, 3 lakh minus 60,000 give me the figure 2,40,000. Same goes to bar, 2 lakh minus 35,000 give me the figure 1,65,000. If I calculate this all, 3,50,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 1,65,000 gives me the figure 7,55,000. So that way we calculate the gross profit. Now we have to less the our expenses column. So here you can see that our expenses are divided among the ratios. So office expenses cost is 15,000, right? So here we can go the instruction office expenses and fixed charges to be apportionate equally among the three departments. So 15,000 is the ratio. So I just mentioned here, you can see here, I just work allocated here, office expenses 15,000 divided by 3. What are this divided by 3? Divided by 3 means three departments we have, right? Restaurant, banquet, bar. 15,000 divided by 3 gives me the figure uh, 5,000 debited each year. So 5,000 I mentioned here, 5,000, 5,000 equally in all departments, right? That will give me the final figure 15,000, right? So same I mentioned in a allocation. First we have to go this allocation, then you can calculate easily here. Work allocation is sales 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh. That is can be taken here 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, right? So sale ratio is 5 by 3, 5, 3, 2. What this come 5 here, 3 come here, 2 come here. So total will be 8. Accordingly, as per the question, office expenses are mentioned equally. So I just mentioned 1 is to 1 is to 1 in all. Total will be 3. That 3 will be divided by 15,000. So now you understand 15,000 divided by 3 gives me the figure 5,000 to be debited in each department. Same I mentioned 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 in all the departments, right? Head office expenses on the sales basis. So head office expenses are here. Amount is 20,000, right? So head office expenses ratio is mentioned 5 by 3 by 2. So it is divided among the sales ratio. So 5, 3, 2. What is the total? 8. So head office expenses I just mentioned here. What are the restaurant, banquet and bar? 20,000 is the amount which you can see easily here. 20,000 divided by 5, right? Gives me the figure 10,000. 20,000 divided by 8 into 3 give me figure 6,000. 20,000 divided by 8 into 2 give me the figure 4,000. So I repeat again once again this formula for you all. Head office expenses 20,000 is the amount which is taken by here, right? And I divide head office expenses 5 by 3 by 2, that is here 5, 3 and 2. Total is 8. So 20,000 divide by 8, that is total, into 5 give me the 10,000. 20,000 divide by 8 into 3 give me the figure 6,000. 20,000 divide by 8 into 2 give me the figure 4,000. So 10,000, 6,000 and 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. These are the final figure of restaurant, banquet and bar. So same I mentioned here 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Total will be 20,000. All are mentioned in bracket because it is a expensive. Same I go to advertisement and marketing, same formula 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. How I get this 10,000, 6,000, 4,000 advertisement 20,000 is the amount advertisement. Here you can see that 20,000. So advertisement expenses divided by sales ratio, that is 5 by 3 by 2, that total will be 8. So 20,000 divided by 8 into 5 give me 10,000. 20,000 divided by 8 into 3 give me 6,000. 20,000 divided by 8 into 2 give me 4,000. Same I mentioned here 10,000, 6,000, 4,000 give me the figure 20,000. Next we have the fixed charges. Fixed charges here amount is 12,000, but you can see the instruction here office expenses and fixed charges to be apportionate equally among the three departments. So fixed charges again 12,000 divided by 3 give me the figure 4,000. How I calculate this? Fixed charges is equal 1 by 1 equally 1 by 1 by 1 give me the figure 3. Total will be 3. So 12,000 divided by 3 give me the figure 4,000. So 4,000 in all column I mentioned here give me the figure 12,000. So after the expenses, now we have to add the less the interest also. So interest is calculated here. Third instruction is interest to be appropriate 2 is to 2 is to 1 among the restaurant and bar. So 2 is to 2 is to 1 is mentioned here, right? Total will be 5. So interest amount is I think 5,000 here. So 5,000 divided by 5, that is total column here, into 2. First portion, you will be the 2,000. Same 5,000 divided by 5 figure is this, that is total here, into 2, you will be 2,000. 5,000 divided by 5 into 1, that is 2 to 1. One figure, that gives me figure 1,000. Right? So same I mentioned here, 2,000, 2,000 and 1,000. Total will be 5,000. So these all are expenses here, and then interest, less interest also. Now we have to calculate the net profit. How you calculate this? You have the gross profit here, 3,50,000 minus 5,000 minus 10,000 minus 10,000 minus 4,000 and minus 2,000. You meet the figure 3,19,000, right? You can calculate it in your own L also, so that rectified properly. 2,40,000 minus 5,000 minus 6,000 minus 6,000 minus 4,000 minus 2,000. Give me the figure 2,17,000. Same goes to this, 1,65,000 minus 5,000 minus 4,000 minus 4,000 minus 4,000 minus 1,000. Give me the figure 1,47,000. So इस तरह से सारे का रेशो हमने लेस कर दिया. ठीक है, तो टोटल को भी करेंगे. हमारे पास है 7,55,000 minus 15,000 minus 20,000 minus 20,000 minus 12,000 and minus 5,000. Give me the figure 6,83,000. In this way the net profit is calculated. इस तरह से हमारा net profit हमारे पास निकल आया इनकम स्टेटमेंट का. एलोकेशन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि जब भी कभी अनएलोकेटेड एक्सपेंस इस तरह के क्वेश्चन हो तो आपको ये पोर्शन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इसी पोर्शन से ये क्वेश्चन के एक्सपेंसेस निकल आएंगे. आप अंदाजे से नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में सब कुछ दिया गया है कि किस तरह से एलोकेशन आपको डिवाइड करनी है. ठीक है, तो एलोकेशन का फॉर्मेट आप रेडी रखिए, उस तरह से उसके एक्सपेंसेस को डिवाइड कीजिए. जो आपका फिगर आउट आएगा किसी भी क्वेश्चन का, वो आप यहाँ मेंशन कर दीजिए, तो आपका इनकम स्टेटमेंट का एक और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया इस तरीके से. ठीक है, आई होप आपको समझ आया हो. ठीक है, तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप करते रहिए, आपको समझ आएगा. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने आपके गूगल क्लासरूम में भी डाला था, आप लोग उसको भी प्रैक्टिस अपनी जगह कर लीजिए. आप फिगर चेंज कर लेंगे अब आने वाले टाइम के लिए, आपके लिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए गूगल क्लास में और क्वेश्चन पुट किए जाएंगे. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.